Hello and welcome to another episode of The Successful Non-Technical Founder. My name is Ben and I will be your host today. We have a great topic. If you've been following our blog series, you hopefully understand the importance of thinking in terms of team when you're trying to complete technical projects. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about who is the most important person on that team. Now, it probably goes without saying, but I say it because of how often this rule is broken. The most important person to help you complete technical projects successfully is the technical lead. Like I said, it's violated a lot. A lot of people don't even realize that this type of thing exists. If you're new to technical projects, which you probably are, then you may not realize that there are tech leads. And that is an important person on your team. So, in fact, the most important. So, you've got to find someone with experience. And I'm not talking a little bit of experience. I'm not talking a person that's built a couple websites. I'm not talking about the amazing Technicolor Dream Coder, which was our last video. I'm talking about a solid 10-year 10,000 hour person, and what they've done for those hours is important. You can't find someone that's been like pigeonholed in the back office server IT room of a giant corporation for the past 10 years. That person will not have the breadth of experience that's required to complete a technical project successfully. You need to find someone who has had a little bit of experience through most of the process of bringing an idea to a technical reality. They maybe started out in design or maybe just in front-end web development. They moved to back-end. They've done a little bit of DevOps. They've dabbled in project management, and they've done some team lead stuff. Also, they need to have had a couple big wins under their belt. Projects that they've taken from start to finish successfully, on time, on budget, and at a high level of quality. So it's a bonus if that person has also done a project similar to yours. I'm not saying that they have to have experience with every piece of open source software that you hope to use on your project, or that they have experience with the third-party data provider that you want to integrate with. But they have to have had similar experience with many aspects of the project that you're trying to complete successfully. So, the first problem you're going to find when you're searching for this type of person is that they're very expensive. These people, to have 10 years good experience or more, they've been in this industry that has not had stagnant wages. And not only that, but their experience is extremely desirable. It's extremely valuable these days because of the value that they can provide. I don't know a business, there are very few businesses, I should say, today that don't need a technical lead. I can think of very few. And so what do? Well, I have a tip for that as well. If your project doesn't have a budget, a really big budget, well, actually, before I get to that point, let me just say I did some research on some actual numbers for these type of people on salary.com, and I think I looked at Glassdoor, and the range I found was $150K to $300K a year. That's just salary. That's not benefits. That's not employee taxes that you'll have to pay. So as you can tell, these people are highly sought after, and if your budget is a fraction of that, I have a tip for you. It's called a fractional CTO. That's actually the title that I refer to myself as. And there are a growing number of professionals who use their skills, who apply their skills to multiple projects over the course of a year. So maybe you just need them for 2 months part-time. Maybe you need them for 1 week full-time. This person could just plan everything and throw like 10 developers at it. But the point is that you don't need them for the entire year. So why not find somebody who is available in short sprints like this? Now their hourly rate is going to be even higher than you're probably expecting, but that's okay because you don't need them full time. You just need them to oversee the project. All right, so do a search on LinkedIn, Fractional CTO, Fractional Tech Lead. You should be able to find several people who could help you with this most important position on your team. So if you'd like to read more, if you'd like to understand other tips to completing technical projects successfully, I have a gift for you. It's called The Guide to Tech Projects for Non-Technical Founders. I put a link in the description below. If you like this content, triple click that subscribe button, triple click the like button, and you'll be notified whenever we come out with a new video. Or you can just get access to it all with our free download. And anyways, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this was helpful, and we will see you next time.